Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could possibly be the best charger for your Fitbit Charge 3. If you're like me and you've struggled with finding a reliable charger that doesn't break the bank, you're in the right place. We're taking a close look at the Sinoacc charger for Fitbit Charge 3. The Sinoacc charger is designed specifically for the Fitbit Charge 3 fitness activity tracker. It boasts a robust build and promises fast charging speeds, which is crucial when you're on the go and need your device ready in no time. First off, let's talk compatibility. This charger is tailored exclusively for the Fitbit Charge 3, ensuring a perfect fit every time. It's not compatible with other Fitbit models like the Charge 2 or Charge HR, so be sure to check your model before purchasing. Speed matters, and the Sinoacc charger delivers. It features high-speed charging capabilities, so you won't have to wait around forever to power up your Fitbit. Durability is another standout feature. With over 6,000 bends in its lifespan and a reinforced cable joint, this charger is built tough to handle daily wear and tear. That means fewer worries about it wearing out too soon. Safety is a top priority here. The charger includes built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, short-circuiting, and over-temperature situations. This not only protects your Fitbit but also ensures your safety during charging. So, why should you choose the Sinoacc charger over other options? It's simple. This charger offers a combination of reliability, durability, and safety features that are hard to beat at its price point. Plus, with a 3.3 feet cable length, it provides flexibility without unnecessary extra length. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable charger that won't let you down, the Sinoacc charger for Fitbit Charge 3 is a solid choice. It's designed to make your charging experience hassle-free and dependable. Remember, taking care of your Fitbit Charge 3 starts with a charger you can trust. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.